Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best soldering pot is probably one of the most important tools for anyone working with electronics or jewelry, offering a convenient and efficient way to melt solder for various applications, from intricate circuit board repairs to delicate jewelry making. In this video, we will explore the key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect soldering pot to elevate your crafting game. Number 5. QWORK 150W Solder Pot. This is the QWORK 150W Solder Pot, perfect for your soldering needs. It features a 50mm titanium soldering bath and has a capacity of 500 G. It offers stepless temperature adjustment from 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, with 9 different settings for precise control. This ensures you get the perfect temperature for your project. It's designed for energy efficiency and rapid heating, saving you time and energy. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. The package includes the 150W solder pot, an extra 50mm pot, and a solder paste scraper. Everything you need to get started. It's suitable for melting solder and plastic, making it ideal for various applications such as transformer and coil pin tin plating. It's a versatile tool for many tasks. It's designed for ease of use and maintenance, saving you time and effort. Its high accuracy ensures consistent results every time. What we like. It features a durable titanium plate and a generous 500 G capacity, perfect for larger projects. The precise temperature control ensures optimal melting and prevents overheating. If you need a high-capacity, durable solder pot with precise temperature control, this is the one for you. Number 4. KLT-360 Solder Pot. This innovative solder pot is designed for efficiency and reliability. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance. It features a durable stainless steel board, guaranteeing superior quality and durability. You can trust it to handle your soldering needs. It boasts a fast melting time of just 3 to 8 minutes, saving you valuable time on the job. Get started quickly and efficiently. With a maximum temperature of 480 degrees Celsius, it provides the precise heat you need for various soldering tasks. Achieve perfect results every time. It operates on a standard AC 110V 60 Hz power supply and has a compact 38mm pot diameter. It's powerful yet easy to use. Experience the difference with its 100W of power, designed for consistent and reliable performance. It's the perfect tool for your soldering projects. What we like. This solder pot boasts a rapid 3 to 8 minute melting time, saving you valuable time. Its compact 38mm size is ideal for smaller workspaces. If you value speed and efficiency in a smaller, more compact design, this is your best option. What people say. It works great, fast and clean, heat up without a lot of thermal transfer to the surface of whatever you have it sitting on. Works as advertised and surprisingly quickly liquefies a fairly large chunk of hardened solder in the pot. Useful little solder pot. It heats the solder up quickly and does its job by staying hot. A full cold pot of eutectic solder will be molten in only a few minutes. Nice wide throat at the top makes it easy to skim dross off the surface. Number 3. TwinkleBay Solder Pot 50mm. This is the TwinkleBay Solder Pot, perfect for your soldering needs. Its 50mm size and 500 G capacity make it ideal for various projects. It's made from a durable stainless steel board, ensuring long-lasting quality and performance. You can trust it to stand up to the demands of your work. With its stepless adjustable temperature, ranging from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, you have complete control over the heating process. Achieve the perfect temperature for any material. It offers excellent heating and thermal stability, ensuring consistent results. This means less time spent adjusting and more time focused on your project. This solder pot is designed for ease of use and maintenance. It's simple to operate and clean, saving you time and effort. It's suitable for melting solder, plastic, and more, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Expand your capabilities with this one device. Upgrade your soldering experience with the TwinkleBay Solder Pot. Its quality, precision, and versatility make it an invaluable asset for any professional or hobbyist. What we like. With a large 500G capacity and stepless temperature control, it's perfect for various soldering tasks. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to operate and maintain. If you need a simple, reliable, and high-capacity solder pot, this is the one for you. What people say. Midpoint setting on temp, melted a pound of 6337 solder in about 20 minutes. Yes, it fits a full pound in the pot. The solder pot works well for holding up to 1 pound bars. Used to solder wires for my Harley. Works well when doing a lot of wiring. Number 2. 150W Solder Pot. This innovative solder pot is perfect for various applications, from melting solder to working with plastics. It's designed for efficiency and precision in your projects. It's ideal for tasks like transformer work, coil pin tin plating, and electronic wire production. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for many professionals. This solder pot features an electronic temperature control board for energy efficiency and rapid heating. You can easily adjust the temperature to your exact needs, from 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. Made with high-quality stainless steel, it offers excellent heat distribution and retention. This ensures consistent melting and prevents temperature fluctuations. Your purchase includes the 150W solder pot, an extra 50mm pot, and a convenient solder paste scraper. Everything you need to get started is right here. We stand behind our product with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us, we're here to help. What we like. This solder pot offers precise temperature control and a convenient extra pot for added versatility. The 500G capacity is perfect for medium-sized projects. If you need a versatile solder pot with precise temperature control and extra accessories, consider this one. What people say. Efficient due to heating quickly and also cooling down faster than the bigger pots. Easy to move around and set up at different workstations. Just what you need to tin wires. Comes with nice little tool to clean the solder. I bought it because I build projects with lots of soldered connections, about 70 per project, and tinning wires before soldering is very time consuming. This speeds up that process. Number 1. 2000W Solder Pot. This innovative solder pot is designed for efficient and precise soldering. Its advanced features make it perfect for various applications. It features a user-friendly dual digital display. You can easily set the temperature up to 400 degrees Celsius for optimal control. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's highly resistant to corrosion, wear, and high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting durability. The microcomputer PID chip provides precise temperature control with auto-tuning and stability. This ensures consistent and reliable performance. It uses an energy-efficient infrared heating element, allowing for long-lasting operation at high temperatures while saving energy and being environmentally friendly. The U-shaped stainless steel tray makes cleaning easy. Its design prevents tin slag from sticking, allowing for quick and straightforward cleaning. Multiple cooling holes ensure efficient heat dissipation, resulting in quiet and reliable operation. What we like. This powerful 2000W solder pot features a user-friendly digital display and an innovative, easy-to-clean design. Its high power ensures efficient melting for large projects. If you need a high-powered, efficient, and easy-to-clean solder pot, this is the ideal choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.